Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time and you just came across this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you are my savvy and you are watching, thank you for your support. So today's topic it's about allegedly actress Nambita Mpo Mrana. They say that they caught her red-handed stealing a whole 160 rand lipstick. Rand, guys, I mean 160 rand, 100 rand and 60 rand. Like, this is just, it's so hard to believe, but I'm not saying that she did not, nor do I'm saying she did, because it's an alleged statement. So yeah, guys, so the manager of the scheme called the police on her. Some stories that we made up, they say they tried to make her apologize for her mistakes, and allegedly they say she was giving them attitude. We don't know. It's just the statement. And so far as I know, I haven't heard about maybe her response to the media trying to clear this alleged statement. So we don't know. See you on my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.